Flash flood warning. Yes. Literally issued on IM bot, then came up right away.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for northern Putnam County, eastern Bureau County until 2:15 p.m. At 8:20 a.m., Emergency Management reported urban flooding of Princeton. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expect flooding of urban areas, rural creeks and streams. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by Emergency Management. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Depew, Vero Junction, Malden, Seatonville, Dover, Hollowayville, Spring Valley Airport, Colhaba, Veering, Huntsville, and Vero County Fairgrounds. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 54 and 69. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Vero and Putnam.
Okay.